Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to sharing with you some budget friendly ways to add characters and charm to your builder grade and new construction home. I am very attracted to in older homes are the windows. They have a ton of characters. They are charming. They have detail that builder grade and new construction homes don't normally have, so you can actually add that charm into your existing windows by using snap in windows millennials. These are going to create those grids on your windows that really make your windows look charming and special. They will also add a ton of style to your home, and it really leans into that more antique European look to your home. Of course, you could get all new windows with the millennials already built in, but that is super expensive. So if you are working with what you have, you can still create that exact same look by using snap in window millennials or vinyl. So these are both removable options that are custom made to fit your window size, and you can just pop them in and take them out if you ever change your mind. You can really learn into different design styles by choosing a certain grid pattern. They come in different colors. Black or white is pretty typical. I think this is such a great option that will really add a wow factor to your home and definitely add that charming touch to your builder grade space. I think would be a great place to start. Another design element that really stands out in older homes are the doors are usually solid wood, have a ton of detail, and they just don't include those beautiful pieces in build a great homes anymore, but you can add them in small ways. I would suggest looking for old antique doors and implementing them into your home in small ways. That could be your front door, it could also be your pantry door in your kitchen and really bring your kitchen to life. It could be your closet door, the door to your bathroom. You can look for interior doors, exterior doors, or even French doors. You can find old antique doors on Etsy. You can find them on Facebook Marketplace. You can go out to your local thrift and antique shops and you will find old doors. I think this is such a special way of really connecting this old and new and implementing that character into your space. Now, I think every home could use a good nooks really create a lot of character and charm, and they are always found in older homes. And you can absolutely include them in your home as well. There's so many different types of nooks, so you can really choose something that's going to function well for your home. I love breakfast nooks. They are so cozy, they are inviting, they are comfortable, they just make your kitchen feel very charming. You can also have little reading nooks and you can build these into your existing space. Maybe underneath a window would make sense, or in a closet that you are not using. Creating little reading nooks out of existing spaces would definitely add a ton of charm to your home. If you have kids there, work from home, maybe find a little space that you can create a work nook or homework nook, really squeezing these into small areas of your home and turning them into something more will make better use of your home, but also make it look really special and charming. Now, don't forget about your ceiling, because these one little thing that you can do to your ceiling, that's going to make it look like it has character. It's been theirs forever. It has that charming look, and that's a ceiling medallion. These come in many different styles so that you can find the right look for your home, but this look incredible around a pendant light and chandelier. They are going to draw more attention to that light fixture. Really ground it almost like a rug grounds your furniture, and it's just gonna finish it off and make it look a lot more unique and regal and just more beautiful. Really, you can go a simple or ornate. There's so many different looks you can create with just a simple ceiling medallion. If you already have existing lighting that you really want to show off even more, I would definitely recommend installing a ceiling medallion around it, and you are going to have instant charm in your space. I am loving the look of painted wood, checkered floor. That diamond checkered pattern is stunning when it comes to little, and it's always going to be a timeless. It's that classic look that you can choose that's going to last forever. But when you see it painted on old wood floors, there's just something so charming and special about it. I just love it in every single color, in every style home. I think it's so charming. Now, since it is paint on the floor, if you have old floors that are kind of on their last leg, and maybe you'd rip them up eventually anyways, or maybe you are planning to install flooring on top of them, maybe just try out painting them first and see what you think, because I think it definitely brings some new life to your old wood floors and mimics that look of classic tiling. Even if this is just a little temporary project, I think you would just bring a lot of joy to your home. Now, build your great bathroom are not always the prettiest. They don't have a ton of charming details. They tend to look pretty plain, and I think one thing that you can do that would just add a nice decorative touch and make your space look more charming. If you're watching it first time my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's it. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. Take care.